Your online computer teacher. Bikram Chaudhary's Photoshop tutorial learning series, Tools in Photoshop, the Pen tool. Here I am selected the Pen tool and drawing the shapes, clicking and dragging it. You will see two handles appearing after clicking second. Now clicking the third position and dragging a little bit to make a small curve, left clicking points are appearing, and last point a small circle appears beside the tool. Now path is selected in the options bar of the Pen tool, and I have drawn this path. This looks as a shape, but this is actually a path. There is no fill. Now clicking the path selection tool, clicking here, and you will see the corner points are black squares. I have selected the path selection tool, the black arrow. Now pressing black space, and now clicking again using the Pen tool and drawing the shape again, clicking here, holding shift key. Now I am drawing a straight line, horizontal line appearing. Okay, now my target is to move it, so selected the black arrow path selection tool, clicking and dragging, will see the arrowhead changes. Now direct selection tool, this hollow arrow, and it works as same if you move it from middle position, but if you hold a corner point, it rotates using the other corner point. This is the beauty of direct selection tool, and you will see that hollow square appears, and that point is black, other is hollow, and you can rotate the black side using the center as hollow point. So I am clicking the Pen tool again and drawing a shape, and here clicking left click and adding anchor point in between. Your plus sign appears beside Pen tool. Now hold Ctrl and it converts into direct selection tool, and you just drag it a little bit. This is a game, just play it. And this is the Bezier handles, this is called, and you will see the direct selection tool changes into black arrowhead, and you can change the curvature of this curve. Clicking outside and now selecting Pen tool again, clicking here, and now extending the path. Here is path is selected, just clicking there, and a curve and straight line, a total path is selected. Now selecting direct selection tool, holding the corner points and dragging, you can see that you can change the curve, change the shape actually, and using Bezier handles you can also change the curvature. Now holding the control point and dragging a little bit, adding an anchor point in between them, and using control key it converts into a direct selection tool. When you are selecting the Pen tool, the add anchor point Pen tool, which is selected now, it converts into direct selection tool if you press the control. So this is the beauty of using Pen tool. And hold the Pen tool icon to get the options. There are many Pen tools. Thank you.